They took the land, and they took the language, and then they took our young ones, and somehow we're still the ones they call savage.
They said we signed treaties, but the truth is we signed to survive, and then they tore those treaties up and called it progress.
Our names were too hard for them to pronounce, so they renamed us, erased our stories, and then claimed we had no history.
They put our grandparents in boarding schools, cut their hair, beat them for speaking their own language, and called it education. But it was erasure.
They called it a land run, we called it a theft. People cheering while our homes and lives were being auctioned off to the highest bidder.
They tried to kill us with smallpox, then with paper, then with silence. But we're still here, and we remember everything.
You wear our symbols on your jackets, your sports teams, and your costumes, but you never carry our grief or our truth.
This isn't just history, it's right now. Our land is still being taken, and we are still here, still fighting.